Everyone, welcome back to my channel Young Researchers. In today's video we are going to discuss how you can change the margin of your Word document. For this you need to open your Word document, and then you will go from here layout option from this menu bar above. When you click on layout, you will see different options like margins, orientation, size and column. So here you will click on this margins arrow, and then you can select margin according to your choice. So generally they have mentioned about normal margin, which is 2.54 from all four sides, like left, right, above and top and bottom. So if you want to customize your margin for Word document, you can do the changes here, but by yourself. If you want to choose any of the margins mentioned here, like moderate, narrow, like this one, if I select on moderate, then okay, so if I click on narrow, my document will start from here, from the top corner. And if I select the moderate, it will start from this, after some space from the top corner. So you can select margin according to your choice. And if you want to customize margin by yourself, if there is any special criteria from your university, you can go to this last option, custom margins, and here you will select top, left, bottom and right margin. For example, if there is mentioning about 3 centimeter from top, and 3 centimeter from, you can select according to that. And from left, if you mention about 4 centimeter and right is 1.9 centimeter, then you can adjust the changes according to your criteria, and then you will click here on OK. So the document will start from this, like it will start from some distance from the left side. So here in this way, whatever the document you are writing, the whole document will be set according to the margin you have customized now. So in this way you can adjust the margin or select the margin for your Word document. So I hope this video helps you a lot in understanding about how to select or customize margins for your Word document. In coming videos we will discuss some more interesting topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.